Upgrade new home construction with an efficient dryer choice that cuts energy use and controls moisture. Choose a heat pump or condensing dryer for efficiency because both recycle heat and use far less energy than conventional electric or gas models. A heat pump dryer moves warm air through a refrigerant loop to extract moisture at lower temperatures, which preserves fabrics, while a condensing dryer uses a heat exchanger to condense steam into water that drains away. Match venting to the dryer type so you do not create back pressure or moisture buildup. Condensing and heat pump dryers need no external exhaust, but may require a drain or condensate pump, while traditional vented models must have a short, straight duct to the exterior with smooth, rigid ducting and a 1 to 125 mm or 100 mm diameter depending on the unit. Include a dryer box or recessed outlet in the wall cavity at design stage to conceal venting and allow the dryer to sit flush with cabinetry while maintaining code clearance and easy dryer removal. Integrate moisture and lint sensors into the circuit and layout so that you can monitor performance and get alerts if airflow declines. These are simple add-ons that can tie into a home management system or operate standalone to shut the dryer down if moisture removal drops. Plan for regular maintenance by creating easy access to the lint trap, duct cleanout, and condensate components. A 90-minute deep clean twice a year and quick lint checks after every load will keep efficiency high and fire risk low. Choose models with adjustable cycle temperatures and timed cool down to protect delicate fabrics and reduce overdrying, which wastes energy and increases static. Homeowners commonly install the wrong venting configuration, which causes poor drying and excess moisture. Correct that by confirming the dryer type and using the manufacturer venting diagram and keeping duct lengths minimal and straight. Another frequent issue is neglecting lint and condensate maintenance, which reduces airflow and creates hazards. Solve this by building access panels and scheduling simple cleaning tasks and inspections. A third problem is undersizing or oversizing the dryer for household needs, which wastes energy or underperforms. Avoid this by assessing typical load sizes and choosing a unit rated for capacity and cycle efficiency rather than just drum volume. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors so you can find someone to install the right dryer system and modify venting or cabinetry to match. We also help contractors find work and share best practices, and we host a discussion community where members exchange tips, ask questions, and compare experiences.